Hi, it's SA. Good morning. Today we will talk about wall wrapping. If I make a wall from point A to point B, at every end, no layers. The layers or the finish at the exterior side and the interior side only. If I want to make a finish at ends, I have to go to wall wrap to edit it. I will select the wall and go to properties, edit type, structure. I can select at ends, default wrapping at ends to be exterior layers or interior layers. I will select exterior layers and press OK. I will find that exterior layers now at the end of the wall from here and from here. I can change the thickness of finish to be 0.04 to be clear. The exterior layer go to the end at here and the end here. If I change it from default wrapping at ends to be interior layers to be complete the wall wrapping, I will find that interior layers end of the wall from point A and point B. Okay. I can also edit it from select the wall and go to edit type from here, wrapping at ends, interior and exterior. If I want to make wrapping at inserts, I have to make wall, door and window like this. Have no wrapping at insert, no layers go at inserts. If I select the wall and go to edit type and make wrap and at insert, I can make insert exterior layers. Now I have the exterior layer wrap at the wall, flip it from here. I will find that exterior layers go to cover this, same at doors. The exterior layers go to cover these points. If I flip the door from here, I will find the same result. I can select the wall and select edit type. If I wrap at insert by interior layers, it will be like this. The interior layers go to cover these points. Same as the windows. If I flip the window, the interior layers go to cover these points to the glass panels. I can also make the wrap at inserts by post layers like this. I will find that interior and exterior meet at the glass points. If I flip the window, it will be like this. And same at the doors. Interior layers and exterior layers. I hope it's easy and simple, and see you next video.